Alright, so the fourth property of this chapter is called the angle in the opposite segment add up to 180 degree. Okay, so how do I use this property? So first thing first, I must always ensure one thing is that all the 4 points, so you look at this A, B, C, D, right? They must touch the circumference of the circle. If any of the point right doesn't touch, I can't use this property already. Alright, okay, so if you look at this A, B, C, and D. So they all touch the circumference of the circle. So I can use this property. So if this is angle A, right, and this angle A, the opposite of this angle will be angle C. So this angle C, A plus C will give me 180 degree. Alright, so now I move on to angle B. So if this angle B and this angle D, right, because they are all opposite. Okay, so opposite means is like it's opposite lah. So angle B plus angle D will be 180 degree. So just take note that angle B and angle C, they are not opposite. Okay, this is called adjacent. Alright, okay, so let's take a look at this example. So this example, I want to find angle X. So first thing, I want to make use of the property. I must ensure that 4 points are touching the circumference of the circle. Okay, so if this is 55 degree, this angle will be 125 degree. So if this is 125, right, angle X will be 55 degree. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I move on to exercise 4A. So 4A, first thing first, I want to find angle X and angle Y. So let's find the easy part. So the easy is the angle X. So 4 points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now the angle X is opposite to 78 degree. So angle X will be 180 minus 78, right, is 102 degree. Okay, so now I want to find angle Y. So angle Y, angle X and angle Y, they are not opposite to each other. Okay, so I can't use this property, but I can use one property that I've learned during the secondary 1 years, right? So if you look at this, there's a pair of parallel line. Okay, so as long as you see a pair of parallel lines, you think of it as a trapezium. Because a trapezium also have a pair of parallel lines. So if this angle is 120 degree, this angle will be 60 degree. So they add up, must give you 180. So another example, this is 90, this must also be 90 degree. Right? So this is called interior angle. So you just write 180 minus 102, right? Because the 102 comes from the angle X. So will give you 78 degree, but you cannot write opposite angle. You must write interior angle. So interior angle add up to 180. Okay, but interior angle you can only use when you see a pair of parallel lines. Okay, so if they are not parallel, you cannot use interior angle already. It doesn't hold true. Okay, now I move on to B. Okay, so B, same thing, I want to make use of this property. You will see that all the 4 points touches the circumference of the circle. So 110, right? So this angle right here will be 70 degree. Okay, so how do I find angle X? So if you look at this, this is the triangle right here. Okay, so this triangle, you notice that I already know two angles, 70, 70, right? So the angle X is just 180 minus 70 minus 70 is equal to 40 degree. So angle X is equal to 40 degree. So you just need to write the reasoning down for 70 degree. 70 degree is because of opposite angle add up to 180. Then the 40 degree, you talk about the triangle, sum of a triangle equal to 180. Then that will be sufficient already. Alright. Okay, so this will be the fourth property.